For this project we have a 14-foot flat bottom boat. As you can see, the paint has been worn down and starting to chip off. So the first thing I did was sand it down and then bust it off with the pressure washer to get it ready to paint. To apply the base coat, I used a 20-ounce gravity-fed air sprayer. For the next step, I mixed in some black Rust-Oleum to try to get a little bit darker shade of gray. I used lacquer thinner to get the right consistency with my paint. Spray guns can often be a little tricky when using paint straight out of the gallon, so you sometimes have to thin it. With the second layer, I freehanded a camo pattern. The final goal for this project was a Kryptek Camo. Now I used a small airbrush for this third layer. I started with a darker shade of gray. Now I used the red leg 14-inch stencils, which you can find on Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description below. Next up, we started taping off the boat. Now I use bed liner for the top and bottom deck. Overall, I was pretty satisfied with this project. I think the final results look pretty good. Now all we had to do was put it in the water and test it out.